Slowcast English, Episode 32, The Pleasure of Fishing. What specific sense of accomplishment can fishing bring? Why?
We talked about the sense of achievement fishing brings. I'm still wondering what exactly creates this feeling, even when people don't catch big fish.
The sense of achievement comes from many small moments, not just big catches. First is reward after long waiting, after sitting quietly for a long time. When the fishing rod shakes and you hook a fish, all your patience pays off. It's incredibly satisfying to see your expectation come true.
So it's the joy of being rewarded for waiting. Anything else?
Absolutely. Second, your skills get proven. When your homemade bait, casting skills, or experience of finding fish work well and you catch a fish, you'll feel truly proud of yourself.
It's like your efforts and experience get recognized.
Exactly. Third, the happiness of self-improvement. Maybe you've never caught a certain kind of fish or struggled with casting. When you finally make it one day, even with a tiny fish, it's a small breakthrough.
I get that. It's just like learning a new skill.
Fourth, recognition among friends. When you fish with peers, if you catch a fish first or your tips work for others, you'll get praise from them. That also brings a strong sense of achievement.
So people can still enjoy themselves even if they only catch one or two small fish all day?
Definitely. Every catch is a nice surprise. Even with little fish, these small feelings of joy add up, and that's why people love fishing so much.
Now, I totally get it. The sense of achievement lies in every little gain during the whole process.
I wish you good luck. See you in the next episode.